Let me send you information today on Florida waterfront living at its best. The owner has customized this home to optimize the waterfront benefits this home offers. From the living room, there's an unimpeded view of the cove thanks to the triple sliding glass door, which in turn leads to the 40x 10-foot covered and screened patio. The southerly facing patio, which is equipped with a wet bar, is a great place to entertain. Boaters and fishermen will love the dual slip boathouse. Each side measures 20x11 and each side is equipped with a separate motorized boat lift. How about a bass boat and a pontoon boat? Want world-class fishing? It's right out back. The Harris chain of lakes has hosted numerous bass tournaments. Clean up after a day of fishing at the outdoor shower on the rear of the house. Other amenities include a nice workshop loaded with storage cabinets, a one-car garage, a one-car or boat carport, a 26x6 covered front porch which overlooks the quiet cul-de-sac and no-cost lake water for irrigation. The community has a large clubhouse directly on Little Lake Harris, complete with a kitchen. There's also a beach and a private boat ramp. We know of no other chain of lakes community that offers so much for such a small annual fee. Lake Harris Shores is close to everything: a Publix anchored shopping center, the Tavares seaplane port, the Florida Turnpike,